In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Shopify cache. If your storefront isn't showing recent theme edits, app changes, or updated images, your browser is likely serving an old, cached version of your site. Clearing that cache forces your browser to fetch the newest files from Shopify so you can see your changes as customers will. Start by opening your web browser. This walkthrough follows the layout most people see in Chrome and many Chromium-based browsers, so it should feel familiar. Make sure you have your Shopify storefront open in a tab so you can quickly check results afterward. Look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the three vertical dots. That opens the main browser menu where you'll find options for settings, history, and more. We're heading to the place that controls stored site data. From that menu, choose Delete Browsing Data. This opens a small window where you decide exactly what to remove. You'll notice a time range drop down at the top. If you're troubleshooting stubborn storefront changes, selecting all time gives you the cleanest slate. If you only need to clear the most recent edits, a shorter range can work too. Next, make sure two boxes are selected: cached images and files, and cookies. Cached images and files are the temporary copies of your store's scripts, style sheets, and images that the browser keeps to load pages faster. Removing them forces the browser to download fresh versions. Cookies are small bits of site data that can influence how your store loads and may keep you signed in. Clearing cookies is helpful for a truly clean test, but it will sign you out of Shopify and other sites in this browser. That's normal and expected, just be ready to sign back in afterward. You do not need to select options like passwords or browsing history for this task. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Clear Data. Depending on how much your browser has stored, this might take a few seconds. Try not to navigate away while it finishes. When that's done, return to your Shopify storefront tab and reload the page. Because we just cleared the cache, your browser will fetch everything fresh from Shopify's servers, which should reveal your latest theme changes, app updates, and any new images. If the update still doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh again. Occasionally, files take a short time to propagate. That's it. You've cleared your browser cache for a clean view of your Shopify store. As a tip for future edits, consider previewing big changes in a private window so you can see them without previously cached files getting in the way.